Hey guys, this is Nick with Glenstone Power Wash. I am bringing a quick maintenance video for you today. I am changing the oil on my Honda GX390 and my cat pump. The reason for doing this is because if you don't, these issues can become very expensive later down the line if you just let it break. So let's go. So I've done this oil change plenty of times, and here's what I like to use. Painter's tape to go around the nut to guide the oil into the funnel, some tie straps to secure the funnel to the frame, a couple of ratchets, old shampoo bottle pump, and some paper towels to keep things clean. Before I came up with this method of doing this, I used to put a pan on the floor and just let it all pour out, and it was like a huge mess. So I find this way, I could catch all the mess, all the oil, dirty oil, and keep it clean. Less mess for you, So while the oil is draining from the motor, I'm going to go ahead and start on draining the oil in the pump. Just keep in mind that the cap on some of these pumps are plastic, so just use your hand to take it off, or a crescent wrench, but just be gentle because it can break. So here I'm using my trusty shampoo bottle pump. So this is a really good item. You don't have to take the nut off the side and just let all that oil just drip off the side of your pump. You just stick the shampoo bottle pump down in there, feel for the bottom, and just start squirting it out into a container. You have to move it around a little bit, as you can see in the video, but it'll all come out, and then you could just use your ratchet, take the nut off the side, put some paper towels down, and have the excess oil drip onto the paper towel, which it won't be much at that point. It's so much easier this way. Try it. Now that the cat pump is draining and we have those paper towels laid down to catch the excess oil, we can go back over to the engine side and close things up and start putting oil back into the motor. Okay, so now that's all done. We're going to start putting oil in the pump side, which is a little easier because you have a visual with this little glass and red dot. When you're filling it up, you only want the oil to go right to the red line. Don't go past it. You will overfill it, and that can cause pressure issues when you are using your pressure washer. Okay, so we're all done, and so remember to hand tight that cap. Don't use any wrenches or anything. Hand tight that's all you need. And yeah, we're all done. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.